So once you've got your graph ready, make sure you've got a title. Once you type your title here, click on update. What you need to do is copy your graph, or you can take a screenshot and put it in the document, which will be in the classroom page Tuesday. So here's an example, and I'll walk you through this. Here we go. Put your graph here. Make sure the summaries are checked. And what we're going to do is learn how to make comments on some features of box and whisker graphs. There's a lot of features of box and whisker graphs. There's something called center. There's something called spread, and many other things. Okay, so we're just going to try to do two, and as we progress, we'll do more. Okay. So one of the first things we'll look at is center. Now, what I mean by center is you have to look at the median. And then how do you comment on that? Well, you mention the median of each group with units and write down if one is larger or if one is smaller. If they're both the same, also mention it. Do not shy away from writing very briefly. You need to write in detail in statistics, okay? You need to literally write out what things are saying. So, for example, this group here, this dot plot and this box plot on the top belongs to babies' weights who were born to mothers who were not smoking while pregnant. And this box plot and that dot plot belongs to babies, and the weights rather. These are babies whose mothers were smoking while they were pregnant or during the pregnancy. So if you look at that median there, for mothers who did not smoke, that median is 3,100 grams or 3.1 kgs. Write that down. So you can say the median weight of babies born to mothers who did not smoke while pregnant is 3,100 grams. Work smart. You can copy the same line, but you need to change some words. The median weight of babies born to mothers who did smoke while pregnant is, there we go, 2,775.5 grams. Okay, literally right there. So you're going to write down, change that, 2,775.5 grams. That's about 2.7 kilos. And even if you look at the graphs visually, you can see this median is, and this is our scale, okay, like a ruler, a scale. So it starts with 0 and goes on 3,500, 4,000 or whatever, hundreds. This scale is in 500s. So right now, you can see, just with my eyes, I can see mothers who did not smoke, their babies tend to have larger weights. Because the medians tend to be larger, not generally, just the medians tend to be larger. Because this median is larger, that median is smaller. Now, boys and girls, you have to be very careful. This is not going to be an inference for all the babies' weights of all the mothers in the whole wide world. This is only from a certain population, and it is, in fact, even a smaller sample. For example, you guys are a sample or a small population of Harvard College students. So if I was to sample year 9 students, I'm not going to go and survey every year 9 student. I'll take a sample of it. Just the 9 CMA class, my class, 24 students, that's it. So you guys become a sample of the larger population, which is all year 9 students at Harvard College. And sometimes what we do with that is we make inferences. But we got to be careful in making conclusions from a very small sample, okay? So this here does not apply to babies' weights. By the way, this was a survey done quite a while ago in the United States, I think. Okay, I'll carry on in another video.